Okay, here I am speaking into my cell phone with no blanket. If you listen to the recording, you'll notice it's a little more echoey. You can just kind of hear the room around you, which is what we usually want to avoid, which is why we bring the blanket into the picture right here. So as soon as I drape that over and then I start talking into it, I will sound a lot cleaner or just a lot more isolated. Right now, I am speaking underneath a blanket with my Tascam DR40, which is what we see right there. So now I'm talking into the DR40 right there, just a normal personal recorder. You can use a Zoom brand, either one really works. So now we're taking that Tascam and now we're going under the blanket to create that isolation room. This is very often used in radio production, in DIY bedroom recordings for pop albums, and all kinds of stuff. This is just a really quick, easy fix.